Welcome to VSys IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we are discussing about ServiceNow is a either company or product. ServiceNow is a company or product. As of my knowledge, ServiceNow is a both company and a product. ServiceNow is both a company and a product. Company and a product. Now I'm discussing about ServiceNow as a company and ServiceNow as a product. First one, ServiceNow as a company, as a company. Okay, ServiceNow is an American software company. Okay, established in the year of 2003 by Fred Luddy. He is a ex-employee in Remedy Corporation. ServiceNow is a American software company, which is located in Santa Clara. American software company founded by Fred Luddy. In the year of 2003. ServiceNow is a American software company founded by Fred Luddy in the year of 2003. He is a ex-employee in the Remedy Corporation. Okay, the main focus of this company, ServiceNow specializes in providing the cloud-based platforms for automate the workflows. Okay, in which domains, like as a IT domain, HR domain, customer services, and more domains. Okay, specializes in providing cloud-based platform for automate workflows that helps organizations okay, streamline process like IT, HR, customer service, and more, and many more. Okay, ServiceNow specializes in providing cloud-based platforms for automate workflows that help organizations streamline process like IT, HR, customer services, and more. Okay, observing very clearly, this company serves thousands of enterprises worldwide, including 80% companies are using ServiceNow products. Next one, ServiceNow as a product. Now we are discussing about ServiceNow as a product. ServiceNow as a product. ServiceNow as a product. Okay, now observing very clearly. The primary product of ServiceNow is the now platform, the primary, the primary, the primary product of ServiceNow is the ServiceNow is the ServiceNow is the now platform. Now platform. It is a it is a cloud based cloud based platform for platform for platform for automating workflows, automating automating workflows workflows across various various business functions business functions. Okay, like ITSM, IT service, IT service management, management, ITSM. Okay, information technology service management, ITBM, ITBM business management, management, ITBM information technology operation management, operation management, ITO, ITOM information technology asset management, asset management, ITAM customer service management, customer service management, customer service management, customer service management, CSM, HRSD, human resource service delivery, HRSD. Okay, HRSD, human resource, human resource. Okay, service delivery, service delivery, service delivery, HRSD. Okay, human resource. Next one. Okay, security operations, security security operations, SecOps. Okay, these are the services. Okay, now platform providing this type of services. Okay, finally, ServiceNow is a company to build and market ServiceNow the product. Okay, the product is the Now platform and it is associated applications. Now is a platform. Now platform is a product. Okay, ServiceNow the company builds and market ServiceNow products. ServiceNow products. Okay, don't confusing. ServiceNow is a company. Now platform is a product. ServiceNow product. That platform provides these services like as a ITSM, ITBM, ITOM, ITAM. Okay, information technology service management, information technology business management, information technology operation management, and IT asset management, information technology asset management, customer service management, human resource service delivery, security operations. If anyone any doubt, please clarify your doubts. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.